Namaste children. In today's class, we are going to learn about force and pressure. What is pressure? The force acts on a unit areas known as pressure. Solid, liquid, gas, everything exert pressure. In today's class, we are going to learn about pressure exerted by liquid. We are going to learn a small activity now. We should take a glass tube. The length of the glass tube should be 25 centimeter. The diameter of the glass tube should be 5 to 7.5 centimeter. At the bottom of the glass tube, we should tie a balloon or a rubber sheet. After that, we pour small amount of water inside the glass tube. When we observe the balloon slowly bulges out. Again, we should add more amount of water inside the glass tube. When we observe the balloon now, the balloon bulges out more. Children, from this activity, what do you understand? Whenever the height of the water column decreases, the pressure created by the water at the bottom of the container also decreases. Whenever the height of the water column increases, the pressure created by the water at the bottom of the container also increases. We can go to the next activity. We can take a plastic jar. At the bottom of the plastic jar, we should make a small hole. Then after that, we insert a small glass tube. At one end of the glass tube, we should tie a balloon or a rubber sheet. After that, we pour water inside the glass jar. The balloon slowly enlarges in size. What is the reason? The water exerts a pressure on the wall of the container. Because of that reason, the balloon enlarges in size. We can go to the third activity. We should take a water bottle. At the bottom of the water bottle, we should make 4 holes. All the 4 holes should be in same size, and also the distance between the bottom of the bottle and the hole should be equal in height in all the 4 holes. After that, we should pour water inside the bottle. Then we should observe. Water released outside from the hole. In all the 4 holes, the water fall down in the same distance from the bottle. From this, what do you understand? Liquids always exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.